Hi, Math 257 Online, and welcome to week 2. I want to give you a little preview, but first I want to show you my shirt. So it says, math is not a spectator sport. The only way to learn math is to do math. I'm pretty sure you all knew that, but I love my shirts and I wanted to share. And so make sure when you're doing your math in this class, you're doing your math yourself. Even if your thinking is wrong, it's better to learn that way than to use AI or have someone else teach you the math, like not just teach you, but really walk you through to the answer. Because just like 256, 257 is you deepening your foundational understanding, which really only you can do. So that being said, if you had me last semester, you're familiar with me and kind of the style and getting the setup, and hopefully it was pretty quick. If you haven't had me, hopefully you successfully got through the getting started module. You got your iPad, you got it all set up. And some of you did not respond to my email. So you were supposed to respond to my email from your Maricopa Gmail account and send me a quote. I did get a few quotes. Thank you very much. But if you haven't done that, be sure you do. So if you completed all your getting started material, then you've unlocked this module for module 2. We're continuing with probability, even though we barely just started. So you'll notice over the weekend there's an overlap between modules. So the new module opens on Friday, but the previous module doesn't close till Monday. That's just for those of you who are working ahead and want to get a jump start on it. It's also a way so you can preview the week and plan it out. There are a lot of assignments in this course, especially because it's 4 credits. So make sure you do the preview and you look through the week and use those rating scales to help you. When you start a module, go through the module overview and then the module resources and fully complete them before you start the assignments. That's going to help make the assignments easier for you. And then do the assignments in order if you can, using those rating scales. A lot of you completed your iPad pickup and your Google form. Thank you very much. You'll be getting feedback on all those assignments as soon as possible. This week, you're going to do some fun assignments, I think. One is called The Last Banana, about fairness. Then you're going to play rock, paper, scissors to investigate some probability and fairness. And then this week is really focused on experimental versus theoretical probability. So make sure you know that vocabulary. Remember the vocabulary sheet you did week 1. Refer to that. Make it better for yourself when you're studying. We're going to do a simulation. Have you ever tried to collect like toys from McDonald's or something like that? So that's what that assignment is talking about. Your more assignments. You do have to do more assignments. I'm talking MOER, Maricopa Open Educational Resources assignments, and they will auto grade. But sometimes you'll want to write down the problems so you can really make sure you're understanding them. I have directions in our updates and announcements this week on how to print your more assignment to OneNote. You still have to enter your answers on Canvas, but it's just kind of a nice option for you. We also have our I Belong YouTube channel that I'll link in our course announcements if you need any help with your iPad, because some of you are new to that. This week, we're going to do part 1 of a team assignment. So first you're going to do it individually, and then after you turn that in, I will assign you a partner. So part 1, and be sure you read through the updates and announcements each week. Reach out if you need anything and keep it up. You're doing great.